Good day students. Now we are going to see Visual Basic November 2015 question paper Part A. Answer any 10 questions. State the different data types in Visual Basic. Data types are declarations for memory locations or variables that determines the characteristics of the data. So in numeric data types are byte, integer, long, single, double, currency. Non-numeric data types string, date, boolean, object and variant. Question number 2. List down the various controls available in VB toolbox. Text box, label box, command button, checkbox, list box, combo box, data control, directory list control, drive list, frame, vertical scroll bar, image control and other controls. Write any 4 properties of command button. Third question. Name, caption, width, enable, appearance, font, height, visible, back color, text, left, 4 color, top. Fourth question. Write the syntax of select control structure in VB with example. Select case expression, case value, block of one or more VB statements, case value 2, block of one or more VB statements, case else, block of one or more VB statements, end select. Question number 5. Using R&D function, generate some random variables. The R&D function returns a value less than 1 but generate than or equal to 0. Generate random value between 1 to 0, dim or as integer or equal to int 6 star R&D plus 1. Example 2. Produce random integers in a given range, int upper bound minus lower bound plus 1 into R&D plus lower bound. Question number 6. Write the syntax of format function with an example. 3 most common formatting function in VB are tab, space, format. For example, the format with number, that is general, fixed, currency and percentage. Question number 7. What are the 2 kinds of general procedure in VB? VB uses several types of procedures: sub procedures, event handling procedures, function procedures, property procedures, operator procedures, generic procedures. Question number 8. Write a recursive function in VB for calculating factorial of a number. So we have to do that in the public class form. Private function fact by value n as integer. If n equal to 0, then fact equal to 1, else fact equal to n star fact n minus 1, end if end function. If we enter a number 5, then the factorial will be 120. Question number 9. Write a short notes on data grid. Data grid control displays the fields of a data as columns in a table. Each row in the control represents a record in the data source. The control supports selection, editing, deleting, paging, and sorting. A data source can be simply bound to the data grid and it automatically displays records. Question number 10. Lists debugging tools. Debugging tools are designed to help with stopping the execution of the program at specific points, deleting runtime and logic errors, understanding the behavior of error free code. Tools: break mode, debug window, checklist. Question number 11. Explain the two types of an application interface. The Visual Basic is an IDE environment which is made up of number of components: menu bar, toolbar, project explorer, form layout, toolbox, form designer, object browser. This IDE was designed as a single document interface, multi-document interface MDI. SDI is a single window, is free floating window that is contained within main window and more anywhere on the screen. VB control application. MDI, the windows associated with the project will stay within the single container known as page code. For the parent windows will still within the main control. Question number 12. What are the three fundamental mouse event procedures? The event handles of the mouse events get an argument of type mouse event arguments. This object is used for handling the mouse events. They are known as mouse down, mouse up, mouse move events. Part B question. Answer any 5. Write short notes on the following. Text box. Text box control allows you to enter text on you or during the. You can accept multiple lines, include scroll bars. Properties. Text align, font name, caption value, index, enable visible, random, multi-lines. Methods. Clear, copy, cut, paste, reset, undo, append text. Events, auto size, change randomly, click, double click, text, align, change. Checkbox. The checkbox allows the user to set true, false, or yes, no type options. When a checkbox is selected, it has the value true, and when it is cleared, it holds the value. By debugging the toolbox and dropping it form. Properties. Appearance, auto check, check align, checked, check state, text. Methods. On checked, changed, on check, state changed, on click. Events. Appearance changed, clicked changed, check state. Message box. A message box is a special dialog box used to display a piece of information to the user, and opposed to regular form, the user cannot type anything in the dialog box. To support message box, the VB language provides a function named MSGBox. The syntax: message box, message, type of box, title of box. Message box, we have two buttons, VB yes no. Message box, welcome, VB cancel, VB exclamation. 14th question. List out any three string functions with syntax and example. The len function. Len phrase. Len Visual Basic is 11. Len welcome to VB tutorial is 22. The write function. Write phrase comma n. Visual Basic comma 4. That is ASIC. Left function phrase comma n. Left Visual Basic comma 4 is VASU. The LTrim function, LTrim phrase Visual Basic comma 4 is Visual Basic. The mid function, mid phrase comma position comma n, mid Visual Basic 3 comma 6 is UAL BASIC. The instr function, INSTR n comma original phrase embedded phrase, INSTR 1 comma Visual Basic comma basic equal to 8. When the n is the position where the instr function will begin to look for the embedded phrase. The use case and LCase function. UCase phrase comma LCase phrase. Now use case hello will give you hello, and LCase welcome will give you welcome. String. The string function that converts a number to string n comma phrase or character. String of 5 comma star gives the 5 star value. The value function converts the strings to a number. Value of text gives the number. 15th question. What is a control array? Explain with example. Similar to arrays, the variables we can group a set of controls together as an array known as control array. Working principle. Control array are the arrays of controls sharing the common event handler. That is, we need to write the code for only one event which can handle two other control events. Example, calculator. Facts of control array. The set of controls that form the control array must be all of same type. All text boxes, all label, all buttons. Example, use an index to distinguish them. The controls in the control array are indexed to n-1. The properties of control in the control array can vary: text, color, size, visible, font. All the members of the control array shall be the same event procedure. Text field got focus index as integer. Syntax. Control name index property. Text box one of text. Build control array application. Start VB new project. Place a command button toward the bottom of the form and set its property as property value name command test caption first. Click the command button once to select it, then copy it, paste it. You already have the control named. Do you want to create a control name? The message appears. Respond to yes. By answering yes, VB automatically set the index property of the original command button and set the index of the pasted control to 1. Paste again. Step 5 and step 6. Repeat when needed. Rename it second, third, fourth respectively. The command buttons. Place the code in the condition click. Working of the code. When you click this button, VB calls click event procedure. VB passes the index parameter of the control clicked to the procedure. Question number 16. Explain the steps in designing and using menus in VB. Designing the right kind of menu will make the application much more user friendly. VB lets to build up the 6 levels of menus. Level of menus. Menus that contains submain is called the hierarchical menus. Using too many levels of menus make the application confusing. Submenu, you can open a submenu by using the standard Windows conventions. Press enter, click the item with the mouse or pen left arrow. Menu editor. You create menus in the VB by using the menu editor window available by choosing Tools Menu Editor wherever the form is showing. Caption text box. What the typed in the caption text box is what the user sees. The caption also shows in the text area inside the dialog box. VB menu do not have default caption. The access key for the caption toolbox menu editor window. Name the text box. Each menu item must have a control name. They must have different control names. What you enter, the name must becomes the control name that is used by VB for click event procedure for the menu item. The VB will not let you leave the menu editor window until you give each menu item a control name. The access key is Alt plus M. OK, cancel buttons. Click the OK button when you are finished designing the menu. Click the cancel button if you decide not to build the menu at all. Index box. Use the index box if you want to make a menu item part of the control array. Question number 17. Explain the decision making statements in VB with their syntax and example. Conditional statements in VB can be used to take decisions based on certain conditions in the application program. They are if then else, if then else if, nested if, switch statements. An if statement can be followed by an optional if else which executes when the Boolean expression is false. Nested if can have multiple conditions using the if then else statements. if condition, then again if condition, then statements, else statements, and if. Now we can see an example. If A is less than B, then if A is less than C, then big number is A. Else if B is less than C, then big number is B. Else big number is C, and if. The switch statement. A switch statement takes an expression and evaluates for each result of the evaluation. It executes statements. This is known as case statement. Break statement must be, and each of the case default case is executed if it is not satisfied. Select case expression, case value 1, block of statements, case value 2, block of statements, case else, block of VB statements, end select. Explain the list view common control in detail. Question number 18. The list view control is basically an advanced list box. This controls allows to add row of data, but also supports large and small multiple column, automatically label edit, column reorder, not tracking to the 4 main modes that see in the Explorer. Icons, small icon, list, detail. The list view control comes with all editions of VB except the standard edition. Add. To add a list view control, the project got the components. Now the scroll down Microsoft Common Controls, properties, alignment, back color, column, checkbox, view, methods, clear, testing, events, column click, item check, text change, conclusion. Thus the list view control is used to display a list of items along the tree view control. It allows you to create a Windows Explorer like interface. Question number 19. Explain the general form of file open command. Open statement enables the user to open a file. Synchronization, open, the mode, access, explanation of syntax. The path name, this field is required. A file name that includes its directory and drive. Mode, this field is also required. The mode can append binary output or input or random. The default mode is random. Access, this parameter is optional. It specifies the operations that permitted on a open file, and it can make the read write or read write. Lock, it is an optimal parameter. It specified the operations such as share, lock, read, lock, write, and lock, read, write, which are restricted on an open file. Part C. Answer any 3 questions. Question number 20. Explain the various form properties with examples. Form definition. Form is the container for all controls that make up the user interface. Every window you see in a application is a form. Every form will have title bar on which the form caption is displayed, and there will be buttons to close, maximize, minimize the form. Form properties description. Accept button set as accept button for a form. Back color sets the background color. Background image sets the background image of the form. Cursor set the cursor image when it moves over the form. Allow drop specifies whether to accept the data dragged and drop into the form. Font get or sets font used in the forms. Lock specifies whether the form is locked. Form border style get or set border style. Text provide the title for a form window. Control box determines the control box available. Icon specifies icon window. Mouse pointer sets the type of mouse pointer. Language specifies the localized language. Name actual name of the form. Top left set or return the coordinator of the form. Topmost true or false value that specifies whether the form remain on the top of all other form in the application. Width this is the width of the form pixel. Height of the form in pixels. Enabled time allows the form respond to mouse keyboard events. The following is the example. Private sub form load form1.show form1.backcolor equal to black. Form1.name equal to sub form1. Form1.font equal to Arial. Form1.enabled equal to true. Form1.text equal to my sample form. Print welcome to VB tutorial end sub. Question number 21. Design a form and with their properties coding to implement at least 5 numeric and date time functions. Private form load form1.show form1.backcolor equal to VB_red. Form1.name equal to sample. Form1.font equal to Arial. Form1.text equal to demo. Form1.height equal to 600. Form1.width equal to 500. Print max 25, 30. Print str of 25. Print len of VB. Print use case welcome. Mid of welcome, 3, 4. Print ltrim of hello. Print string of 5, star end sub. The following is the output of the program. 77.78, 99, 10, 30, 5, 3 welcome, come hello 5 stars. Question number 22. What are the list box and combo boxes? Differentiate them. Illustrate them with coding to add and remove the items in the list and combo box. The list box represents a window control to display a list of items to use. The user can select an item from the list. It allows the programmer to add items at design time by using the properties window or at the runtime. The following code is private sub form1 load sender as object event time add item listbox1 items dot add Visual Basic add runtime by asking the user my item equal to input box, enter your name item to add this box dot items dot add my item, deleting items list box dot items dot remove Visual Basic, deleting items by asking the user combo box control is used to display a drag down list of various items. It is a combination of text box in which the user enters the item and the drop down list from which to the user selects an item. Code private sub form load sender as object, dim my item as string, add item combo box 1, add item Visual Basic tutorial, add item by asking user my item equal to input box, enter your next item combo box 1 items dot add my item, remove item combo box 1 items remove Visual Basic tutorial 1, remove by asking my item equal to input box, enter the date of the item, end sub. The differences between list box and combo box. List box select multiple item from list, combo box select only one item. We can add any at runtime, can't. Combo box can add into at runtime. We have both drop up and drop down in list box. In combo box we have only drop down. We can use checkbox within the list box. We can't use checkbox in the combo box. No other styles from list box. 3 styles allowed in combo box: drop down combo, simple combo, drop down list. Can't add image in list box. Can add image in combo box. Can see multiple item in list box. Can see only one single item in combo box. List box is only listed in items box. Combination of text box and list box. Occupies more space, occupies less space. Shows more than one value, shows one value for visibility. See scroll bar directly, can't see scroll bar. Question number 23. Describe any 4 methods for common dialog box control. The common dialog box control provides a standard interface for operations such as opening, saving, printing files, or selecting columns and fonts using the MS Window Dynamic Library Common Dialog.dll. Properties. The control is visible on the form as an icon at the design time but not at the runtime. The icons can't be re-signed on the form. It is not possible to specify where the dialog will be displayed when opened. Adding control. To use a common control, add Microsoft Common Dialog Control from the project components. Okay. Methods. Show color is used to display the common color dialog box. Color property is used to determine which color is selected. Breakout through the long number. Show font is used to display a list of fonts that are available. Before the show font method can be displayed, the flags property must be set to one of the following constants, or manage box is displayed with the message of there are no fonts installed. Show help is used to display the Windows help file, cdl help file, cdl help.help command, cdl help.showhelp. Show open is used to display the dialog to open files. The filter properly is used to determine the type of files to be shown. A pipe symbol is used to separate the description and value. Show printer is used to display the dialog open files, sets the number of copies and page orientation. cdl printer dot show printer copies equal to cdl dot printer copies, printer dot orientation equal to cdl printer dot orientation, printer dot end doc. Show save is used to save the files. Question number 24. Explain any events, methods, properties used for drag and drop operations for controls. In a computer graphical user interface, drag and drop is to active of clicking on an object and dragging it to different location as required. Sequence involved in drag and drop: press and hold down button on the mouse, drag the object to the desired location, drop the object by releasing the button. Working is actually the same as cutting and pasting using the mouse instead of keyboard. In both cases we have to have the source and target. During either operation, a copy of data is maintained in the memory. Cut, copy, paste use clipboard. Drag and drop uses data objects, which is the essence, properties and methods of drag and drop. Dragging is initiated by calling drag drop method for source control. It takes two parameters: data specifying the data to pass, allowed object specifies which operations are moving allowed. A new data object is automatically created. This is the turn rise gives feedback to event. In most cases, we do not need to worry about the feedback event, but if we want to display the custom mouse pointer during the drag, this is where we would add the code. Any control with its allow drop property is set is potential drop target. Allowed drop properly can be set, designed or programmatically at the form load event. As the mouse passes over each control, the drag event for that control is raised. Get data present method and is used for make sure that the format of data appropriate to the target control, and the effect property is used to display the appropriate moves. If the user releases the mouse button and the valid drop target, the drop event is raised. The code in the drag drop event handler extracts the data from the data object used and displays in the target control.